In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Axos Bank mobile app with a comprehensive step-by-step installation guide. Whether you're setting it up for the first time or reinstalling, this process is quick and straightforward. Let's break it down together. First, you'll want to begin by opening either the App Store if you're using an Apple device or the Google Play Store if you're on an Android device. These are the digital distribution platforms where you can browse and download applications designed for your specific operating system. If you're not sure where to find these stores, look for a blue icon with a white A for the App Store or a multicolored triangle icon for the Play Store. These should be easily accessible either on your home screen or within your apps list. Once the store is open, it's time to focus on the search box. This is typically located at the top of your screen, ready for you to type in the name of the app you're looking for. Type in Axos Bank and proceed to search. The search results will bring up a variety of services related to your search, so you need to identify the official Axos Bank app. Usually it's marked with the bank's official logo, which should be familiar if you've visited their website or used their services before. Be wary of similar looking apps, as some might not be genuine. It's always a good idea to check the developer's name to ensure you're downloading the correct one, which should ideally be listed as Axos Bank. After you've identified the Axos Bank mobile app in the search results, tap on it to enter the app's download page. Here you'll find further details about the app, including its features, user ratings, and reviews, which can offer insights into other users' experiences. It's wise to take a moment to glance through these to ensure the app meets your needs and expectations. Now comes the moment you've been waiting for, downloading the app. You'll see an install button on this page. By clicking it, the app will begin to download and install automatically on your device. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network to avoid data charges and ensure a smooth download process. The time it takes can vary based on your internet speed, but it typically doesn't take long. Once installed, the app icon will appear on your home screen or in your apps list, indicating it's ready for use. You can tap on it to open and log in using your Axos Bank credentials. And there you have it. You're now equipped with the Axos Bank mobile app, giving you all the convenient banking functions right at your fingertips. This simple guide should have you set up and ready to access your banking needs efficiently. Thank you for watching, and be sure to check out other helpful guides and tutorials. Have a great day banking with ease.